Is today the last day?
Yeah.
Why?
Is it?
Don't we have like 2 more months?
Not 1 month. I think like 2 more weeks.
Are we new project?
Yeah, I better bet we are. Better making a new project again. No, no.
Again?
Tic-tac-toe. I'm going to name it tic-tac-toe already.
You're too fast for me right now.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll wait. All I did was make a new project and call it tic-tac-toe. That's all I did.
How do you like
Why do
Tic-tac-toe.
Why do you call it tic-tac-toe?
Because it's called
how do I get in?
like getting what? Login, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a login button on the top right. Is there?
But it says my username.
And then the username and password. Do you wait. What do you see exactly? Like, can you show me again?
But I need some help.
Okay, yeah. Can you just like show me what you're seeing? Then I can help.
Oh.
Now I can't do scratch. Because I got out. 他说我们出去了，然后我不知道怎么弄。
Are we gonna start?
我
Well,
不知道怎么弄。
I guess we could wait till all the issues has been fixed, and we can start.
Did you even save your
No.
project?
I don't wanna just leave someone out. Yeah. So we're gonna wait a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Leaving
That
someone
was
out
a
is bad
close
manners.
one.
Did you create an extra project?
Yeah, it's just top left, right? Create.
Yeah, create project.
I
That's
got
easy.
out.
Plug it out.
妈妈，
Creating
我把
project.
那个弄出去了。我怎
This
么
is
才
hard.
出去？
Oh.
Will the project be like long or something?
Well, let me think. It's going to be somewhat long, but like not super long. It's not gonna be as annoying. Wait, is it gonna be as annoying as a piano? It might be. It might be more annoying than the piano.
No.
It might be more than piano. Actually, maybe not as much. Remember how many keys we had for piano? Like 12, right?
能开呀？
Fear not. For tic-tac-toe, you only need 9 squares.
What time is 9 square?
For tic-tac-toe, right?
Yeah, I know that game. It's like an X and a circle.
Yes, exactly. That game.
Yeah.
他要password。
And can I spring more?
Well, then the game is not balanced.
可是他有那个，
You need to get
3
extra circle in the world. 9 or 8.
Yeah, I mean, have you guys heard of this thing called game balance?
No,
Game
never,
balance?
ever.
Game balance. It's if a game is actually balanced or not.
Wait, did you
Oh.
delete the first piano you made?
No. It's
I didn't
just
see it though.
well, it's in my like local files. I saved it with my own Scratch editor. It's not the web one. It's the one I downloaded. So,
Man, until 9.
there's a web version and there's a downloaded version. The web version is better because like you can save things and it's easy to find. On computer it's hard. Like if you download it editor, you have to save the file to a certain.
Are you saying Scratch or Scratch Junior?
Just Scratch.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
'cause, like,
always thought Scratch was an app, but really no, like it's like
both. It's both
I
on.
know, but it's like it was exactly like this, and I was on an app, and I'm like, wait, how did I get on that? And I was
Yeah,
like,
there's
what
a-
thing finds it? But it was actually on the website.
Yeah, there's a website one and there's the downloaded app one. Now they're both the same, Except with the downloaded app, this when you're saving a project, it's a bit more annoying than just the web version. So I do think the web version is just better in general.
It is better.
Yeah, because like you can share projects easy,
Web
right? Like everything is online, and they have their own servers, and they can save
What's
it.
backpack for? Like backpack underneath your stuff.
Wait, which one?
The backpack.
Backpack? Wait, which backpack?
What?
This backpack. Yeah.
Wait.
There's a backpack.
Backpack? Oh, this one?
Yeah. What's that? Could you? It just.
Well, it's kind of like a copy and paste.
I don't have a backpack though. How do you get it?
I don't know, but like the thing is, I'm not gonna use it, so don't worry.
What's a backpack?
It's kind of like copy paste. Like you could
Oh, yeah,
like
I
write
have
some
one.
code, right? I can just put some random like code and put them. Put them in the backpack.
Wow,
And
that's
then now I have like now I can just use this like copy paste.
Yo,
yeah.
that's cool. I have one before. I have one.
But like yeah, we won't be using it because we're literally gonna do.
I don't have a backpack. Okay.
Yeah, we don't need a backpack.
I have one.
Well,
on that
whoa.
page it's like a giant place.
you wanna guess
Taco
what our
toe.
first step is?
What are we doing?
Taco toe?
So yeah, we have a sprite 1, right?
Tickle toe.
Well, guess what?
What?
Tickle toe, that's your name?
We're deleting
That's the-
Sprite 1.
No,
We're
we're deleting the
deleting-
costumes.
Deleting the costume. How though? Like I don't. What-
Okay, so here's how you do it, right? Okay. Can I even undo this? No, not really. Shoot.
Wait, you name
I delete the costume one?
tickle
So
toe.
yeah, you just delete one of the costumes and then you
Eh?
delete
No,
the other
but
costume.
do I delete?
Yo, how?
Mhm.
How?
Okay, so I delete all the costumes. So it's
Yeah,
not
just delete literally everything because we'll be drawing a
Wait.
square.
How can I delete it?
Select
Do I
everything.
delete the whole thing? You mean
Yeah,
Sprite?
yeah,
Sprite?
yeah. I mean, not the whole sprite. Like if you delete
It's
this,
in
this would be bad.
Chinese. It's in Chinese.
Wait, but are we deleting Sprite?
Well, I mean, no,
I mean like this.
not exactly. I mean, you
Well,
can.
how do-
Actually, that'd be easier. That would be easier if you just
Wait,
deleted
wait.
your sprite. Yeah,
Like, are we deleting this guy?
yeah.
How
Yeah.
can you delete that
Are
guy?
we trashing that, or are we trashing that?
Well, yeah, just trashing
Hey,
it and
How
deleting it.
can
Well,
you
it doesn't really
delete the
matter.
guy?
Either way will be fine. Just make sure it's like,
I'll trash it.
yeah, just trash
Wait,
it.
how?
Should I delete costume too?
I mean, it's not gonna let you, so.
I have a question.
But you can delete everything, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I
are you,
have a question.
but you saw Sprite 1. You saw Sprite 1 onto your coding though.
Yeah. You do need that. Let's rename it to a square though. Okay, yeah, what's the question?
So how can I delete the cat?
Delete like go to costumes.
Okay, what are we getting to a cat?
Well, we're deleting it and we're making a square
My
for the
cat.
tic-tac-toe. So we select everything.
Okay, my cat.
Wait. What? Yeah.
Or just click the trash. That's better, but yeah. Click the trash and it's trash.
Let's hurry. You made me just get another.
Trash!
And then select everything and then press backspace and then it's gone. Gone for good.
Are we
How can
only having cat B or are we having cat A?
Wait, how can I?
Are we
We're not
using
even we're renaming this to empty square.
So should I just I'll delete cat A.
Yeah, I delete everything and renamed it to empty
What?
square.
Wait,
Yeah.
how can you delete? I forgot.
Just select
Why
everything
did
and
they-
press backspace.
Backspace? What's backspace?
It's a key on your keyboard. On the
What
top
should I
right
name
side.
it? What should I name it?
I named it empty square for the costume.
You named the square though.
Yeah, the square for the
Oh, okay. How do
Sprite and empty
Wait,
square for this
you, did you
costume.
wait?
Yeah. I'll wait. No worries.
I can write empty.
Empty,
Yeah.
EMPTY.
Empty.
Oh man, Mom and the
Man.
Yeah. Backspace. What's this?
What the heck? Where's Dad. Wait, that's not.
Whoa. Backspace, no circles. And then,
And then it's gone.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
Now we can
what should we
rename.
do?
Should I name it square on the Sprite?
Like the bottom right for the sprite,
Yeah.
name it square. Sure, yeah. Name
This
it
is
square.
black. This is black. 100%, 25% dark, 55 dark, 50, 50, 100 darks. This is cool.
Okay, now what should we do?
Well, so here's what we do now. Well, it's an empty square, so we make us okay.
A
Let's see.
purple square?
No, that is not right. So first of all, go to fill, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
And then you see all these options,
Yeah.
and you see
What
this.
color are we do?
We're doing it
Black.
like empty, no color, no fill.
No fill?
Yeah, don't fill it. It's an empty square. So we click
Yeah,
this one.
empty it though.
You click this. The one-
Yeah.
the button is circled. You click it, and
I
then
clicked it.
yeah, and then does it show?
Empty.
Does it show a line on here as well?
No, never. It's never. It's not white. Oh no.
Well, you want it to be empty or white, but white will cause some issues later if you try to add a background. But I guess white is fine too.
So
Shoot
what are
the
we making?
left scratch.
You know what?
What are we doing?
Let's make it white, sure.
Which one?
So basically drag the saturation to 0
What? Why?
because that'll make it white for sure. And then change brightness to 100.
How do you change brightness to 100? It's
Well,
already at 100. Mine's
you
already at 100.
Then it's good. Well, change the saturation to 0.
Wait, what? How can you do that?
It's a drag bar, literally. It's a slider you can slide.
Like how?
Like you just slide it
Okay. Slide.
to the left.
Okay.
0,
But now,
100.
but what are we going to do now? Make a square?
Yeah.
No.
I mean, not
No.
yet. Not quite yet. We have to change something else too.
Also, your cat, it's still called cat B.
Oh, right. see.
Did you delete it or something?
No, I just didn't save it.
Mine is weird.
Is mine really, is yours really weird? Is it just white?
No.
Mine's called an empty square.
If
It's
it's,
kind of fine.
Wait,
Alright,
are
so-
we putting 0 to both of it?
no,
Colors?
for outline, right? Saturation 0, but brightness also 0.
Wait, what?
Now it's black
What are we doing?
for the outline. We want a square that's like just a square and empty, right? We don't want it filled with a color.
Okay. So
So,
what
yeah.
do you do now?
Well, basically it looks like this. It's a square with an outline,
How big should it be?
like the outline.
Yeah.
First of all, change this to like, I think 5 will be good. This number here. It's how thick the line is. We don't want it to be too thin or you can't even see it.
Okay, how big should a square be?
So here's a trick of making a square, right? So normally you can just make like a square-ish shape, right? And
Yeah.
you don't know if it's actually a square or not. Well, behold my trick. When you're making it, hold on the shift key.
A shift key?
The shift
We're
key.
making it
Or-
black.
And then, well, it's gonna be perfectly.
Yeah, it is actually. How big
Yeah.
should it be?
You have to hold on the shift key though. If you don't,
How
it just,
big should it be?
well, not too big and not too small.
that big.
If you feel like it's good, it's probably good.
No,
Should
mine
I
is
show you mine and
big.
see what's good?
Yeah.
This one.
I think it's fine. Yeah, why not?
Mine is big.
Is it good enough though?
Yeah,
Or is it
it's
too
good
small?
enough. It's good enough.
Or
It's
is it too small?
tic-tac-toe, okay? It's a square.
Yeah, everyone draws a square and tic-tac-toe.
I mean, come on, it's a square. It doesn't have to be fancy.
Oh no!
Or is it too small? Or is it too big?
It is
How big should
fine.
it be?
It's
Or
not.
should I
It's
add
fine.
it big? Then I'll make it bigger.
You make it too big, it might not fit.
No, what's the wait, are we gonna draw a line? Line.
Well,
But really, I'm gonna delete it. Really, I messed up.
yeah. So, but basically, you just want to.
Could you wait for me though?
Sure.
'Cause
Sure.
Like a big square. Like a big square.
Basically, you just want a square. And if you have a square, you're good.
Yay.
Is this better?
Yeah, sure.
Or a
It's
circle.
better.
Well, is it better or is it like worse than last time's?
No, it's the same. It doesn't matter. It's a square. Don't worry. It's just a square. It's not an
How do you
important
figure
part.
out if you press the shift button that it won't really know?
It will be a it will be perfect square.
Yeah.
Well, I kind of just figured it out eventually. Like if you do the same with a circle, it will be a perfect circle instead of like random ellipse. Same with a line. Like if you wanted to go flat, you can press shift and will only go in the 8 directions.
Okay, perfect square.
All right. So yeah. And then you wanna drag the square around. You see there's this cross in the middle, right? You wanna line it out
I
with
already
like,
did
the
that.
center.
I already did that.
Line up the center, yep. If you haven't already, line up the center.
Why does it help though?
I got it. I don't see that.
Oh, why is it called cat B again? I called you empty square.
I just press no, don't press enter and just tap down.
Enter looks
Why?
fine too. I will save now. That was it.
Yeah, it's like that because before I keep pressing enter, it doesn't work.
Well, guess what we do now?
What?
Duplicate it twice.
Time today?
Well, for the costumes, we only need to duplicate it twice. Remember, we need like a circle and a cross, right? That's what we need.
Well, how can you duplicate it?
Well, right click and there's a duplicate button.
Wait, how many do we need? 3?
Yeah, 3 in total. 1 for empty, 1 for X, and 1 for O, right?
What does that mean?
Well, tic-tac-toe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but tic-tac-toe is like 9 squares.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be copying this. Well, 9 sprites, right? To be exact.
Yeah. So
That makes sense. That probably
But
will be.
each sprite, well, how many possible states can a square have?
Oh,
It can
wait.
either, yeah, a square can either be empty, or it could be X, or it could be O, right?
duplicated.
That's why we're making, well, 3
3?
costumes,
Okay.
right? 1 for empty, 1 for the X, and 1 for the O. As for the 9 squares, we will work on that.
What do we need 4?
Well, no, I will name this one X and name this one O.
Wait, where? Wait, which one's O? Which one's O?
Well, it doesn't matter. They're both empty right now. Doesn't really matter.
This one's O. This one is Z.
Just make sure there's an empty square. Just like one named O and one named X.
This
Order
is
does not
Mark.
matter.
This is Mark. N V K Vark Lunark Mark. I forgot what. Says nothing.
Well, we'll take a guess how we're making an X.
Wait, but the thing is, but the thing is really that like that really the thing is like this is the problem. But literally, like, well, like, how are you gonna make it though?
Like make the X and the O.
Yeah, how?
Yeah, like it's
Well, that was
actually
ugly.
not no like it's actually not but like the other characters there aren't in like the photo, whatever that is.
Yeah. So
Well-
like we only have you can only show one of them at a time, right?
Yeah, so we can create new characters like that, but
Yes, we can copy. We will actually. We're not going to duplicate this here.
and
Remember?
also your sprite is still
Yeah.
called cat.
Why is it called cat again?
Only because I told you already.
That's right.
I told you already to do that instead.
That's right.
Our-
So
our
yeah.
scratches-
So basically, for the O, right? So we click the circle
Yeah.
and we draw a circle using pressing shift.
Yeah.
Where are you drawing it though?
Ow.
Hmm?
Nothing. Does it fit?
No, if it doesn't fit, make it fit.
No, this is too perfect.
Yay, square. So just like how we made the square, right? The circle, you want to hold down shift when you're making it.
It's too big.
If it's too big, make it smaller. Oh, right. So here's the thing.
Can I show
right?
you something?
Yeah,
Is
sure.
this perfect?
Yeah, it's very perfect.
Good.
Wow.
So,
that's
so here's the trick,
perfect.
right? So initially, when you make
press
this
shift?
square, yeah, you want to hold down shift when you make this circle, so it's perfectly round, right? But say, oh no, it's too big accidentally, right? And when you make it smaller, do not hold down shift. If you hold down shift, it's going to go weird when you make it smaller. Do not hold down shift when you make it smaller. But when you make it, hold down shift.
Mine looks weird.
So now we have O, right?
Oh,
Auto.
Well, like circle.
this is hard.
Yeah, it's really a zero. Actually, I figured out something. The number 0 is as perfect as letter O.
Yeah, 0 is a bit more squished.
Yeah.
O is a
it's
bit
not-
more round.
Yeah, it's like an oval. The
Yeah.
0.
Mhm.
And the
Exact-
O,
yeah. It's more round. It's less of an oval.
Yup. Good.
Mine's 2, whatever. Mine's 82 times 82, and yours is 80 times 80. Mine's a bit bigger than yours.
Okay, yeah, just
The
remember
square.
that yours is remember the number 82. That will come in handy later.
I have a
Yes.
question.
Yeah. that's it.
I might get something write that down. Oof.
No, you don't need to write it down because you can always just come back here.
Why is my 128 times 131?
Why did you make you made it not a perfect square? Oh no.
No.
Oh no, you did not hold down shift when you make the square, did you?
What shift? I didn't make
Did,
shift.
did you press oh yeah, you need to press the shift key when you're making the square.
No, 128 times 131.
Well, try to make it 128 by 128. Actually, wait, does that even fit? Let me think.
It fits.
No, it's not gonna fit.
It fits perfect.
It will fit one square, but it will not fit 3 squares from top to bottom.
What? Then what should I do?
Make it smaller.
Like how?
Make it, well, click,
Very small?
drag, not very small, but like 2/3 the size.
What should I click?
I mean, click the square and do you know how to make it smaller?
No, yes. Click the square, activate.
And then drag the corner to make it smaller, right?
I'm trying to make this
I actually
one.
oh yeah, it won't work. Like, what if we only put the circle on top of without the outline? We'll be like it really
Yay.
go away.
Yay, my circle is 128 times 128.
Yay, good job.
Yay. The circle is perfect. It looks like an oval. Why does the circle has a oval again?
Well, and then how do we make the X, right?
Yeah.
How do you
How?
think we make the X? We draw two lines. But they're not very straight or like in the
That's
direction we want.
perfect.
It's kind of perfect, but not really. So what we actually want, we want to hold down shift when we draw the line.
No, I have a question.
Yeah, what's the question?
I made this one the same as 128 times 131.
You made it the same
Even
size
my-
again.
Yep, even my first one. This is hard.
Oh no.
What
we
should
make X yet?
Yeah, we're making the X right now.
What? You.
Yeah, so click the line, right? And then we can draw a line. But when you draw the line, hold down shift.
How can I do shit?
On your keyboard, just say key shift.
Wow, this is hard.
Right?
No.
And then, well, it's not perfectly aligned yet. Okay, oops.
I have a question. I forgot how
Yeah.
to make my beautiful square.
So do you know where's the shift key?
Yes.
Okay. So do you
Where's
know
the
how to make a-
shift key?
Yeah, do you, so I just, yeah, so do you know where the shift key is?
Yep, I found it.
Not
Found it?
perfect, but it's good enough, I guess.
Yeah, see, this line isn't perfect, but we can make it perfect.
120. No.
It's not exactly perfect, but yeah.
So we can make it perfect. So well, there's a cross in the middle of the line too.
What?
Well, you can put align it with a center too.
I don't know where the center is. I can't see it.
Well, this should be like a tiny blue cross in the middle of the line.
Yay.
We can
Where is
line it
it?
up. So, do you see it on my screen?
Yeah.
There's like a blue cross in the middle of the line when I select it.
Oh yeah, it's kind of perfect. Mine, one of them is shorter and one of them is longer though.
Which like kind of like this.
And another one's kind of shorter. Could you duplicate stuff?
Yeah, you
On that-
can. Sure, you can.
How?
But first, like you need a line to.
Yeah, ready.
When you make the line, did you hold on shift to make it
Yeah.
perfect?
No,
Okay.
it's only because I can't make two lines perfectly the same.
Yeah, don't worry. One's longer. That's why we're going to. So right now we have one line. Okay.
Oh, your sprite is called Square Cat.
Oh my God! What is wrong with you, Scratch?
Square can.
I
I don't know what the square cat is, but yeah. So here's what you do, right?
Mine's by one.
So yeah, there's a thing called copy.
Oh no.
Yeah, I
This
should have
button?
done that.
Yeah, just click this. Makes a copy.
Oh no.
Makes a copy, and then you need to paste it.
No.
And then it's pasted, right?
Yeah.
But now it's still in this direction. And what do we do, right?
No.
So you can actually rotate this.
Okay. Wait, what? How can you duplicate it?
How do you
yeah.
know?
So select copy and then click paste.
Duplicate.
Copy and paste the line.
There it though.
What?
Select the line, click copy and click paste.
And click copy. Oh, I
Click copy and click paste.
yeah.
And then drag the drag the new line out.
Yeah, but I can't find it.
It's right under your previous line, so you might have to move things out of the way a little bit.
No.
Yeah, for me, when I did paste, right, it's kind of like there. You can't really see it, can you, right?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, I'm
kind of
gonna
it's kind of inside the other line.
No, I
So I
tried
dragged it
to.
outside.
actually I can't find it.
Well, move away your first line and see what happens.
Yeah,
Where is it?
because it's
Then-
not moving away.
Try to select the first line and then click copy, click paste. It should just be there.
I can't. I can't though.
Already.
Wait, you can't do which part?
Like the part whenever. Yeah.
The dragging away part?
Yeah.
So for example, right now, you only see one line, kind of like this.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see that one.
Yeah, so like,
How do you
This-
switch
this-
the angle though?
Hmm?
How do you switch the angle though? Like the
so-
angle, the other angle. I
yeah,
already. But how do you
so,
switch the other angle?
well,
This
there's a rotate, right?
This is hard.
Where's
So
the
when you
rotate?
select it,
Okay.
you see on the bottom, there's like a curvy arrow, double arrow. So when you drag this, it rotates.
No. it
Now,
doesn't.
guess how do we make it rotate in the perfect direction we want? We hold down shift, let me drag it around.
I have a question. I have
Yeah.
hard time duplicate. I have hard time making the line together.
Do you have your first line?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have your first line centered
Yes.
and it's perfectly straight? All right. So yeah, select the first line,
Okay.
then click
Ew, how do
copy
you-
and then click paste.
How do you go actually? I can't do it.
Oh,
I'm
like
Go
the
to
rotating
shift
line.
while I'm doing it.
So copy, I mean,
Yeah, I pasted, but I don't know how to like.
copy paste. Okay, yeah, I
Doesn't
didn't mean to
work.
copy the entire thing, but
Oh
Copy,
my
paste.
God.
select it and it works.
Yeah, it works now.
Well, now what do I press?
Well, you want to rotate it, right?
Yeah.
Backwards.
Easy. This is think of flip horizontally, actually.
Oh my God.
Flips it. Who would have
Flip, flip.
imagined? Flip horizontal flips it.
That's
Or flip
not
vertical,
nice.
that works too. You just need to flip it somehow.
Then how can we
Flip
grab it?
Flip it and sure you can grab it.
How?
Just grab it.
No, I'm making it longer.
Don't grab it on the corner or side. Grab it from the center.
stop.
I'm still stuck here.
No, we
Flip
have
flop.
X.
No, this is not perfect.
Hold, if it's not
Is this
perfect,
good? Is this good?
let me see. Yep, looks good to me.
Well, really, kind of weird.
Just kinda. It's fine.
Okay.
I mean, it's an X. You can always redraw it if you want.
I don't want to redraw it. It'll take forever.
Yeah, just leave it as it is. So we have an X,
This
we have
is
an
not-
O. That's great.
This is not that good.
What's the empty square for?
Well, if nobody's playing on it, then the square's empty, right? So when you start
Oh,
a game
wait,
of
are we
tic-tac-toe,
adding more lines to it?
no, empty square is empty. Empty square is a square.
Yeah, but how are we gonna be able to get everything on the? Because
Yeah, here's comes the amazing part. Remember when we make the cat that catches the apple falling from the sky? Or like
Mhm.
ice cream cones? Remember
wait,
that one?
you mean or do you mean like yeah? Or do you mean like the piano when? Well, that was sad. Yeah, collided
Well,
that.
piano, we didn't even really use the clone, did we?
Yeah, we did use a clone.
We just
Oh,
kind
no.
of duplicated, not instead of clone. But yeah,
Well, like,
for the square, we can actually use clone.
yeah, but not exactly.
Yeah.
So
Man,
what-
this is hard.
So do we have X and O yet?
No.
yeah, but which one are we doing? Empty square first? Are we doing?
Yeah. The
empty-
order doesn't really matter.
Yeah, but what order are you doing though?
Empty X O.
That's good.
I have a problem.
Yeah, what's the problem?
So I have a very, 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 very hard time making the line perfect.
Ah, okay.
It's not. It's weird.
So you have the first line perfect, right?
Yeah.
What the?
Do you?
Yep.
So the first line is like perfectly from the diagonal to the diagonal, and then it's like,
Yep.
did you hold down shift when you make it, and it's perfectly like lined up. So you're having trouble with the second line, yeah?
Yeah.
Why don't we just paste one? Copy and paste one.
Yeah.
But I don't know why.
So you don't have the second line, you have this, right?
Yeah.
So select the line,
Yep.
click copy on the top here. Click copy,
On what? Yeah, I did that.
and then click paste. And then there should be like a second line that's kind of right on top of the other one. So it's really hard to see, but you can drag it outside.
Yes. Yay.
Okay, but you have a second line, but we want to flip it, right?
Yep.
So what do we do? There's
So
there's
what are we doing? I don't get it though. I don't actually get what
yeah,
we're
we are
doing.
making one square of a tic-tac-toe.
One square of tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, we need 9 squares, but luckily we don't need to make 9 squares.
Done.
Why does it keep
Yeah.
calling square cat?
Okay.
So, and then click the flip horizontal.
Okay.
And then it's flipped, right?
Yeah.
And then we can move it back into a square and make her the center.
It's not that perfect.
If it's not that perfect, it's fine. Don't worry about it. If you can see it's an X, it's good enough.
It's a little bit perfect.
And it's good enough.
It's just the corners.
Good enough. Good enough.
Yeah. Okay, are we going to start tic-tac-toe?
Yes, we are. So what happens
Yay!
when you play on a square? It becomes either X or O, right?
Yeah.
Square. You know, the
Well,
squares.
how do we know when you? So suppose we play on the square when we click on the square, okay?
No saving now.
Okay, yes. Save now. Remember, yes. Thanks for reminding me. But
Yeah,
anyways,
well, welcome.
Save. It sometimes saves by itself, I guess.
yeah, it does.
Yep, it does. It's
So
done.
the thing is, when we play on a square, right? Let's
Yay!
say we play on a square by clicking on it.
Like how?
So no, it doesn't do that just yet, right? But imagine when we click on it and it turns into X or O, okay? Just imagine if it did that.
Or
No.
are we putting the square though?
Well, that will come later. We're going to make clones for the square, so the actual square goes itself does not really matter. I will put it in the center of the screen for now.
Okay, I'll do that. Wait.
Somewhere center. Don't spend too much time. I just put it anywhere. So when we click the square, we want it to turn into X or O, right?
Yeah.
But how do we know if we want it to turn into X or O? It's kind of like term-based, isn't it? First player play, it's X. Second player play, it's O, right?
Yeah.
So first time you click an empty square, it turns to X. And then the second time it plays, it's O. But like, how do we do that, right? But before that, we wanted to wanted to turn to X when we click it, right? So remember when the sprite clicked block?
Yeah.
We can use that.
Yeah, I love the when strike click block. We just use it like last class.
Yeah. Click it, it's going to do something. Yay.
When
So
loudness.
Yeah, so what we can do is we can go to looks. And well, switch costume to, well, X, I guess.
Why does it have to be X?
It doesn't have to be X, it can be O2.
Wait, where?
What?
Once right clicked, switch costume to X or O, your choice.
Switch costume to. Are we doing X or O?
Doesn't matter.
Okay,
Let's
I'll
do X though. So now when you click it, it turns into X, but we
Wait,
have
Yeah,
no
but
way of making it empty, right?
yeah, but
So
like,
why not when green flag clicked, switch costume to empty square?
okay, wait, could you,
Sure. I'll wait.
when green
And
flag,
one- Oh yay! More time.
So when you click
Square.
when you click the green flag, it's empty square, and when you click on the square, it becomes an X, and then it stays an X, right?
Where's when?
Events, in the events, and then here, right?
I can't. Oh.
Right here. Third one from top
Wait,
down.
can we try now?
Yeah. Go ahead and try it out.
Yeah, it worked.
It works.
Wait.
Yay.
1, 2, 3, click X. Yeah, but like, how will we get like 2 people to play it though? Like, really, we need to like, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, really, it's like, or it's like 2 people sharing one screen.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Ow.
Well, you can play with your friends,
No.
but just not online. It
Even my
doesn't work like
cousins.
that. Yeah, if you
Yeah,
have cousin beside you, you can tell him
yeah.
to play tic-tac-toe together on the computer.
Or my little sister or my big brother.
Yeah.
Or like, can we do it
That's
like
in China.
Wait, can you do like what?
Random backdrop.
Yeah, but anyways, if you want to play with someone, they have to be on the same computer as you. And then you
Oh.
click.
Oh
There's a lot of games like
hard.
that.
Yeah, because it's really hard to make.
Wait. Yeah, but like, when could we like? Yeah, but we need to find one like when second click turn into O or yeah.
Yeah, we need to do that, don't we? But for that to happen, well, we need more squares, don't we?
Yeah, we need add a really square.
Exactly.
duplicate
So when
one.
green flag clicked, right?
Wait, where's events?
Oh.
What are we
Events
going
is here.
to control?
Well, we're going to control for some loops.
I have a question.
What
Yeah.
loops? Repeat 10 times one?
Well, repeat 10 except it's repeat, well, I think it's repeat 9. We want 9
9?
squares.
And then what?
Well, right?
I have a question.
Yes.
So I just found backdrop 1. Oh. Oh.
Well, when you create a clone, it kind of just goes to that location, right?
Yeah, we need to
Yeah.
give it to God.
Well,
Oh.
let's make the tic-tac-toe squares line up perfectly as well, shall we?
Can we please don't use
Yeah,
the box we need? That one, I hate it.
Oh, we're not going to copy paste it, don't worry. So what we want to
No.
do is that, well, we go to x0, y0, and don't worry, it's easier than last time, okay?
We're all
easier than the
gonna have
keyboard.
it at the same time.
Yeah. So it's
No.
way easier than it's way easier than last time, okay? Don't worry.
Last time. What's last time?
Keyboard.
No.
Well, why don't we all have it to go into 0 though?
Well, instead of 0, 0, well, let's go back to costumes and remember this size.
What time?
For mine is 80 by 80, right?
Yeah, mine
It's minus 82 to 82.
Yep. So we will be using that number.
Mine is 128.
Wait, are we doing -8?
Yep. Negative 80, negative 80. Well, no, actually, my bad. Negative 80 and 80. Positive 80 for y.
Why?
Negative.
X is negative. Go to x negative 80 and y positive 80, and it's whatever
Yeah.
number you have for the size.
I have 82, which is like
Then
2
use
times.
then use negative
Like,
82 and 82.
Can I see what happens now?
It will go to that place. Kind of top left ish.
Yeah. That is true. It looks. It's easier than last time whenever we had to guess some numbers and
Yes.
it
No
Yeah.
guessing numbers this time.
yeah, I hate to guess numbers.
Yay!
Like, you must minus 31 and then minus
Yes.
31
I
and
remember
minus
that. That
31.
was not fun. Well,
It
now
was-
what do
Yeah,
we
that was
do?
not
We make a
fun.
clone, right? We make clones, but here's the thing. When you make a
Are we
clone,
repeating it 9 times already?
yeah.
I-
So when you make the clone, right, it makes it on top of itself, right?
Oh yeah.
So here's what we actually want to do. We want to repeat 9 times, but not just repeat 9 times. We want to repeat 3 times. All
we need
repeat
to
3
repeat?
times.
Oh,
Now this also repeats 9 times, but we can do everything. We can do something every 3 times, right?
yeah.
Well,
Duplicate it. It's easier.
create a clone of myself. And well, guess what we're going to do?
What is it?
Change x by 80 or 82 for you. This is the
Yay!
size.
Change X by 80. What?
Well, for you it's 82, right? Because your size is 82.
Wait. Where is it actually?
So yeah, so it's going to move right by exactly
Negative 82 or 8?
80, just 82, 82.
How? Oh, yeah.
Right now, do not try this out yet.
Now
What
what
is
do we do?
So you have repeat 3 times, create a clone of myself, and change x by your size, right? Inside 2, repeat 3 times. Now this will repeat 9 times, right? So it's pretty pointless right now. It will just make squares in a row until it cannot anymore.
Yeah.
So here's what we are going to do some magic. Ooh. So every
What's the magic?
every 3 clones you make, you want a new line to make a 3 by 3
Yeah.
board. So
The
here's what
set.
we do. After the first repeat 3 times on the inside, we change y by
What?
negative 80, which is the size, but negative.
Do we have to do it?
Yeah.
Where are we putting it?
Well, after the inside repeat, but inside the outside repeat.
I don't like this at all. It's like you have a double repeat.
Yes, we do. It's repeat 3
Yeah.
times, off repeat 3 times.
It's kind of
Oh
like-
my god.
it's kind of confusing. I'm thinking that like 2 is 1 right now.
Yeah, so just imagine this inside part. Now by itself, it repeats 3 times of making a clone of myself.
Can we try it? Can I try it out now?
If you get rid of the outside repeat, you can try it out now.
This is
Wait, why do we
this
get
is so cool.
The outside.
Well,
Why
otherwise
did
it's going to be very annoying if you don't get rid of the outside repeat when you try it out
How
right
do you
now.
get rid of it though?
Oh, so like how do you just get rid of
Okay.
the outside? You drag the inside to somewhere else.
I know.
throughout
Yeah,
the
should I
repeat.
delete it? Should I delete it?
You don't have to delete it, just leave it for now. We'll be using it later anyways. So I will just leave it here.
Let's see.
So what it does right now is that it will make 3 squares and then it will
No,
go
it,
like,
mine does this. Watch.
does it do
What
this?
is it?
Yeah.
It's like this.
Oh, where did the middle square go? Oh, how much did you go to the right by?
How much do I go to right by? Like how?
Change x. Do you have to change x by 82? Yep.
Yeah.
It'd be 3 times clones itself. And divide by negative. Yep. So right now,
That's
hmm.
cool.
so right now
And
it should make 3 copies of itself.
Man,
Yeah.
this is
Wait,
my
let me
house.
try again. There might be
Yep.
something.
Try clicking the green flag again.
No, it doesn't do anything different.
That's weird.
Wait, do I need negative 82 on the X or 82 on the X?
For which part? The go to? Or
Yeah, it doesn't work.
wait, can I see it? Can I see it again?
Yeah.
Then maybe I can figure out what is wrong. So you have the purple block contain t squared. Go to x equals negative 82, y equals 82. Repeat 3 times to create a clone of myself.
Okay, where it go?
Oh, I see the problem. So it's not set x to 82. You want to change it by 82.
Oh, yeah.
It's like you want it to go to the right by 82, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You
Where's
don't want
the
to just pin
though?
it.
I don't see
That-
it.
So I said it, but I need to change it.
Yeah, change in subsets.
Change
I have a
X.
question.
Yeah, what's the question?
I don't see it.
See which part.
The part, you know.
I don't know.
The part that you make
Let's see the
9
difference.
squares.
So which part?
Yeah,
The
I
part
have
you
this.
make 9
but-
squares.
Yeah, it's like lined up next to each other, but there's a square right next to the like
Bottom
that.
right. Bottom right, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That's
now, well, under this, well, set x to,
set X.
yeah, negative 80 or negative 82 for you, or the negative size.
Literally, I should have deleted that.
Yeah. Set x to
Negative?
negative your size.
I have a question.
Yep.
No,
What's the,
can I see it work?
press-
wait, what's the question?
Did
Yeah,
do
it
you,
goes below. It's
Yeah.
better.
Nice.
do you press the thing?
Which thing?
Question.
Like you
Mine
just
doesn't.
made.
Excuse me.
Yep.
Like mine doesn't go like perfectly right next to each other. Instead, they have some space.
Like a tiny bit?
Yeah, like that.
Try 81.
We need to have.
No, you don't need to. It's not required. It's just how it looks.
Well, I think it looks better like that because yeah.
Yeah. Now, the very last step, you throw it in another repeat 3 times.
What? No, I'm not doing that again.
Let's see it works.
And then you have, well,
Dude, I have an extra one.
you have
Yeah, I
a
have
board
that.
now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
but
have-
with an extra square, right? Well, it's simple.
Wait, why should I do it to 81 though?
Hmm?
Why should I do it to 81 though?
Just everything that was 82, change it to 81.
Why?
If you want to get rid of the space. But if you don't, it's
Yeah,
also
I
fine.
don't actually know.
If you like the space, leave it as it is.
I don't know actually if I like it.
Personally, I don't like it.
Why?
It's just preference.
I like it.
So now,
Well, what did you say?
well,
You
the-
had to hide that one? Okay.
hide the last one. So now you don't see a square.
That
at all.
makes sense. It makes sense. Because
So like at the start, right? Actually, you wanted to hide it from the start. But then, so
What?
now, actually, yeah. And then when you started to clone, when the clone square starts to clone, show. Now this will, what this will do, just make a board. This will make a
Oh.
board. but you won't see
Wait,
that.
wait,
screw
wait,
jump.
wait, wait. I am not Assassin's Creed.
Yeah.
Wait, why should I change it to 81 though? I don't
You
know.
don't have to. You don't have to. Just leave it as
But
82.
should I change it to 81? Like,
Should you? That's a question not to ask me. If you like this space or not.
I guess I'll just change it to 81.
If you don't like this space, change it to 81. And if you do like this space, well, change it to 82 or 83 even.
I guess I'll change everything to 81. And you should wait for me because I am changing it.
Don't worry.
Because you're really fast at stuff.
I'm really fast at typing. Mouse.
And math.
Math.
And math.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, to some extent.
Oh. It's going to take me some time.
Don't worry.
Well, my head is thinking a lot.
Sure is.
Then we can press everything.
Let's see how it works now. Like exactly. Yeah, it does. It looks much better. Look. Well, whatever how you suggested it to look.
Wow.
Perfectly centered board. Yay.
Now,
Um,
now,
Not even done.
now the problem is
It's
what
all
the-
X. It's all X.
we need to. Oh,
We need an O, right?
yeah. Like literally. Let me see it.
What?
Then we need to keep track of whose turn it is, don't we?
I have a question. I can't see it.
I can't see what.
We need track of whose turn. Like we might need to add new character. Like I wish we could add new characters. Say it's your turn, whatever. Oh, whatever. Like you know.
We could. We could in the future, but right now we're just trying to get
It's
Like-
not.
like bare bones tic-tac-toe working. You
It's
can
too
add
big.
anything you want. It's too big? Well,
Yep.
Oh,
I
it's like
figured.
it's tic tac toe, but only with X.
Mhm. With
It
only
doesn't
X.
work.
Wait, what doesn't work?
Whatever you do, it's only X.
So,
Yay! Hey, look, it's a blackout.
only X's. Ooh.
Yeah, it's a board full of X's.
But now does everybody have a board that when you click on a square, it's X?
Yeah, it's like
But
that.
mine's big.
Yours is big,
It's too
yeah.
big.
Too big.
Yep.
The size has to be under 120 by 120.
Why?
Why? Because the screen is only 360 tall.
What?
Ooh.
You don't need to tell me about that. Some interesting things.
Yes. Interesting thing. The scratch window is 480 wide and 360 tall.
Yo, how can you know
Then speak
that?
about that again. Yeah.
How can I know that? Oh,
Oh yeah, you're the teacher.
I somehow know. I don't know how I know, but I kind of just know.
Yeah.
Wait, did your teacher taught you that?
Not really.
Oh my god.
I figured it out myself.
Wow. For study?
The whole thing doesn't work.
I wouldn't call it study.
The board.
Mine is too big. One.
Yep.
Wow. Two.
So what are we doing? We need to like kind of keep track of whose turn it is, and we need
Yeah.
some.
So
Well,
do we
I
do we
actually think
remember?
it's unfair because it's actually weird because it seems like we made the O for nothing.
Yeah. So we have remember variables.
Yeah,
Yeah.
never used them in a long time.
Let's make a variable.
Called what?
Yeah.
Call it turn.
Turn?
Whose turn is it?
My turn. I don't know.
Right?
What does it have to be turn?
Well, I named the turn because it's whose turn. It says whose turn it is, so I
Oh,
won't confuse
It's
myself.
turn 0.
Yes, it says turn 0. I know exactly.
I'd rather see it looks like turn O.
Exactly. So
I can't
this is what we
even
do.
see it.
Set when green flag clicked, set turn to,
I have a question.
yeah, what's the question?
I can't even see it.
See what?
The turn sign.
Well, make a variable, right?
Yeah.
Make a variable called turn.
Okay. Come on, turn.
Turn X. I don't get it.
Set turn to X. It's not X turn.
Who's X? Who's X?
Yeah, but like after they go X, what happens?
Well, we have to change
My
it to an
turn?
O, don't we?
My turn. No.
So we have to do something to the when this sprite clicked, don't we?
Okay.
My turn.
So let's say X go first. Then we set turn to X, right?
Wow, this is fun.
Yeah, we said turn to X first.
Well, remember in control we have if and else.
At what?
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, yes, we're gonna use that now.
Wait, so what? Which one? Like 2 or 2?
Well, if, right? If,
Oh yeah, if, then else, and else, that one.
Someone is winning.
if,
Well, what? What are we doing now?
we're checking if the turn equals X.
Equals,
If, well, how do you get turn? You drag turn from here, right? Turn,
wait, equals,
X.
turn equals.
Then, well,
Actually, you're fast.
yeah.
Or
So
super.
if the turn is equal to X, then, well, it's X's turn, and when you play it, it's X, right?
What?
Yeah, yeah.
And I
We don't need to switch costume now.
Switch costume to X as well, if the turn's X. We still need it.
This is fun.
And we're going to need another one.
What?
If it's not
Yeah.
X's turn, then we need to change the custom to O, right?
Okay.
Huh?
No, but when you click, it's still all X.
Stop
Can you
it.
guess why?
No.
It's because we never said, we never had the O in there. We never had the O like the cough. I don't know actually.
The turn, right? We never set turn to O.
Yeah.
Well, where do you think we might do that?
We're adding another set my variable or change my variable.
Nope.
Not even close.
I mean, kind of. Set variable.
Your name.
Set turn to
Variable.
O.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Well, after X played, it's O's turn, right? And then after,
3GX.
yeah. So same logic. After O plays, it's X's turn.
What? Shift X. No.
What?
Hmm?
It's so confusing.
So here's the logic, right? So if the player who plays X should play right now, then when he plays in a square, the square is going to become an X, right?
This is confusing.
Yeah. Well,
It's not
when X plays, then it's not X's turn anymore if he plays, right? You can't place 2 pieces in a row. Like,
Yeah, he
so
can't.
then you change it to O's turn, right? And then
Yeah.
since it's not X's turn anymore, it's O's turn. When O click, switch the empty square to O. And then it's
Wait,
X's turn
Can I
again.
see? Let's see if we can play it right now.
Sure you can.
Wait.
Here's a problem though.
Yeah, but it doesn't. It's like no. It's like you could tap on the same thing. Like literally. No, it's after. It's after. I think you should put it to. You should put it to like you put X above like set.
Mhm.
Set you. I think you need like a set X before before switch costume because you know
Oh.
like we need like too anxious, I guess.
Do it. Well, I will give it a try.
No, that's not what I mean, really.
Oh, then okay.
No, I mean like when you're having like, don't we need like an extra one instead?
Like if it's already
Yeah.
played on, then do not play on it.
Well,
Like you can't just do this, right? Is what you mean?
yeah, it's like O whenever it's text.
Yeah,
Oh,
you can't. You cannot click on a square that's already played
Yeah,
on.
because
Right?
it's 0 at first. It's 0 at first, which is like it's like 0 at first. So you must like click it before it turns to X.
Yeah.
So why don't we add it like set variable to 0 before the whole game?
I have a question.
What's the question?
So I can do turn.
Did you make a variable called turn?
Nope.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Did you make a variable?
Yeah.
So you have this now? Turn?
Wait, right now it's not changing to X or O.
What happened?
I don't know. It's like that, and then it's set turn. That's exactly like that.
So
I'll show you. Wait, I think it's like that. Well, I don't know.
so now what happens when you click on a square?
Wait, I'll try to.
It's kind of hard. It's still O. Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after O's turn, right? After the switch comes into your O, you want set turn to X.
Oh, I know what's wrong. It's my variable. It's only my variable. That's it.
Yeah. It's not turn. Yeah.
It's the turn. O's turn. Could we have like a winning game thing?
We will. Let's see. We will. I think we will do it next class probably.
Oh.
We will not get there. It's actually pretty complicated.
Yep, this one is very complicated.
How would the computer know if someone won a tic-tac-toe game?
I don't know.
Exactly.
So fun now.
I don't know. But anyways, you should not be able to play on a square that already has X or O, right?
Yeah.
I have a question
You're not
now.
supposed. Yeah, that's a question.
So how can you do turn?
Right
Like how do you
now
how do
is
you make the turn work?
Set turn to X.
Yep, after green flag clicked, right?
Green flag.
Right, like here, after green flag clicked, set turn to X, right?
It's
Yeah.
X's turn and it's winning.
Clicking.
And then now under the sprite clicks, use the if something, then else block inside control, which is this one.
Wait, what? Yeah, I did that.
All right, so now go to operators
Okay.
and then have well, equal 50, but then we will change the 50
To X.
to X. Yeah.
Go.
And on the left box of that equals, we'll put in turn.
Okay.
So this will detect if turn is X, right?
Problem.
Yeah, what's the
Instead
problem?
of X going first, it's always like it changes. Like it sometimes like what happens ends up. It's like ends at the first it ends up like the first thing.
Okay, can you show me?
Yeah, it's like this. So it's not always like literally. I press it's X, but when right now it says O to
Yep.
start, and then you press the go again, it's still O.
When you press O.
Yeah, it's like always O. I don't know.
Okay, so let's check it.
My boxes are overlapping.
Then if the boxes are overlapping, then if it's kind of like this and overlapping, then you might want to, like the change x and change y by, you might want to make this number a little bit bigger.
So like when can I share screen?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so yeah, this work should, this code should work.
Like when I press that, it's like
Mhm.
the O and the X are like covered. Got it.
It's kind of too big.
Yeah, it's like no,
Yeah.
like it's covered.
Oh. Okay, so instead of like 80 and 82, can you go to costumes and check the size? Click the costumes. Yeah. So it says 101 by 101, right?
Mhm.
So instead of 80 and 82, you want to do, yeah, go back to code. So instead of go to x negative 80 and 80, it should, like everything, these should just be your size instead. So it's 101, right? So negative 101. And
Wait, which one's negative?
like all the 80s and 82s should be like 101, positive or negative. Yep. So for example, this one will be negative 101. And then you're good. Yep. And then the go to XY, yeah, go to XY should also be negative 101.
X.
And when you have the, before the repeat 3, you have to go to X, Y someplace, right? No, not this one. It's
Oh, here.
you got it. And X is negative 101. No, X is positive and Y is negative. Wait, no, my bad. X is negative and Y is positive. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Wait, can I show you now?
Yeah.
It's always like,
Hmm.
no, it's always starting at O.
Click the green flag again.
Okay. Starting.
That's
O.
weird. You said turn to X, right? At when
Yeah,
green flag click.
literally.
So, oh, you set my variable to X. You didn't do set. This is if turn equals X. This is
Wait,
checking. So the
wait,
green block is checking if it's X. It's not setting it to X.
Oh, wait,
Yep.
what?
So the one setting it to X is on the left of that. You see the
I
set
don't-
my variable.
I don't get it.
Yeah. So the green one is checking is turn X. That's what it's checking. Is it X? It's not setting it to X. It's checking if it's X.
Like who goes first?
Well, not who goes first. More like whose turn is it? That's what it checks. But if you want to set whose turn it is first, like who goes first, then it's actually okay. Let me show you here. So remember, so it's you have to put it under when green flag clicked, right?
Yeah,
So
what?
right now you have set my variable to X.
Yeah.
You wanted to set turn to X, right?
Oh yeah, that's my mistake. I keep forgetting to do
No
that.
worries. Don't worry. We learn.
And then it's O. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Well, if turn is X, then we'll switch the costume to X.
Yeah, it's I know.
Basically this
it's-
part.
It's good. It's good now. It's good.
Well, right now it plays, but then you can still kind of
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. You can do that on top of players. You can do
you
that.
can kind of cheat a bit, right? And we don't want
Yeah,
that.
you can when the other player isn't looking, you could suddenly steal. Like whenever they did like they blocked you and you had to.
Well, let's
Yeah,
do something, shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this.
What are we doing?
So, well, let's add another if, just if, okay? Only, not if else, just if. On the outside of this.
On to where?
Well, on outside of this entire if else thing.
What? It's on the top of everything?
Well, It's covering everything. That we
It is
just-
kind of.
Well, guess what? Why we're doing this?
Why?
We want to check if the square is empty that you have played on.
But it's
If it's
already
not-
empty.
If it's
Yeah,
not-
like really, you could tap wherever it's X and it's O, so you could just tap it again and it turns into O.
yes, that is cheating. That's why we have another if to check if the square is actually empty that you're trying to play on.
It is empty.
Well,
Okay.
it's empty if you're following the rules, but people will cheat. So let's prevent them from cheating.
Yeah, like people.
can't
if
play
you,
it.
you play our game every single day, and you figure out you could cheat it. You could just like
You
hey, Mom.
bet people will cheat.
yeah, like people. Oh, okay, that's
So
so.
well, what do? We go to operators again, right?
Can't even press it.
What are we doing though?
We have another if not outside, first of all.
Equal. We're doing equal again.
Yeah, we're just going to check if it's equal to, well, some if it's empty, right?
Yeah.
We have to check it somehow.
You mean?
So in the looks, and you should scroll down. There's like a costume number, right?
Costume.
Wait.
Okay, where's the costume? Where's the costume?
Where are we putting it though?
Well, if
Yeah.
costume number is equal to, well, let's see. Do you have, if you have your empty square
We
at
have-
first?
Empty square.
Yeah, so check which number it's labeled on.
Yeah, empty squares first. Like how you did it. I
Yep,
did.
if it's
First,
first,
second, third.
yep, if the empty square is first, then do you have empty, if costume number
Count
equals one.
number. What? How can I count it?
What count number? Costume number.
What?
It says costume.
Wait,
Where?
are we done yet? Like whoever wins the game, I think we should have like another backdrop saying that like you won the game.
Yes, but except
Or
the
we should
pearl will
have,
be actually very difficult.
oh yeah, I know. We gotta switch the backdrop. I don't know how to.
No, that's not the difficult part.
What? I don't see a costume.
Can we try it out though? Now.
Yeah,
like,
you can try out. So the
Yeah.
costume, like it's in looks, but you have to scroll down.
Great. Now you can't cheat anymore.
Yeah, you can't cheat anymore.
What?
I'm going to play this. X.
Except when you win,
Hmm.
it doesn't say you won. And you can still keep playing for some reason.
Yeah, you won.
Well, we have to fix that somehow, don't we?
You can ask someone. You can ask someone that you said that you can say you won.
Yeah, but why not make the computer do it?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, we're doing this class too.
Yes. No, we cannot do it in 5 minutes. I cannot do it in 5 minutes. So there's no way you guys can
Best
do it in 5
present
minutes.
ever.
It will take me at least 15 minutes to do this. So
Ow.
Yes, but it's so interesting.
Why you
Alright.
say like that?
You can't cheat anymore.
yeah, all right. So the costume number is in looks and you have to scroll down. Okay.
Da, 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 da. Creepy ass.
So now you can play tic-tac-toe, except it doesn't know when you win the game.
Yeah, and you
What
have to
should-
start the
Then
game.
what should we do?
Well, what should we do?
Actually, I figured
Yeah.
something out. Like in literally like every single one of our games, we never said like we never had a like whenever you lose things. We never had like whenever you lose stuff. Like it
The
ends the
move?
game. Yeah, like it never ends the game. Like whenever you got out, usually whenever you get out from get out from it, it actually restarts the whole game.
Mhm.
Yeah.
When you click the green flag, it just resets the whole game, right?
Yeah, no, like
Nope, it does.
Actually, I looked at my folders and I was like, let's see.
No.
No, like I mean, like
I want. Next.
yeah, like I mean, like normally if you're like this, the game actually just restarts. Like literally, it just restarts whenever you like press the green flag again. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like restarts. No, like whenever you got out, like the game's like restarting after.
Yeah, pretty much. If you get out of the page, yeah,
Yep.
that's what happens.
I have no idea how much I have.
But now, congratulations, you have made tic-tac-toe part 1.
Oh, can I show you something?
Yeah, sure.
This is what I did to it. I
Ah,
added an alien.
nice.
You did?
Well, yeah, kind of. I
I
tried.
did. What? You just added one?
Well, to make it more interesting,
That's already
Yeah,
better.
that's
That's already way better drawing than mine. Yeah,
What's your drawing?
I
of the
can draw
hair?
like so much better than that.
I mean, I
I
can't.
can draw like so much better than that, but it's like so hard.
If I
to-
try really, really hard, I could maybe draw that alien, but probably
Yay!
not.
No, it only took me literally 2 seconds to draw that. It was just like so easy.
Yeah. I mean,
How can that be so easy?
people are talented at different things.
For me, I can
use,
draw a Godzilla.
well, you use the biggest thing.
See, the best thing I can draw is a stick figure.
Yup, you can draw what?
Why can't you only draw
Stick
stick
figure
figure?
doesn't even look good right now.
Yeah, it doesn't even look
Yeah.
good.
Draw. You know the game. Do you know the game of the stick figure?
Yeah, I do. I know a really great game of a stick figure.
Yeah. It's like there's another game that like the stick figure
Wait,
is
I have-
trapped in the.
I changed
妈妈
the，
我的老师只会画 stick figure。
I can only draw stick figures.
I know how to draw a dinosaur or a Godzilla. Can you draw other
This
things?
is the best I can draw. Okay.
Wait, can you draw other
That's
things?
Can you draw the cat?
No, I can't. I don't know how to draw a cat.
Can you draw Godzilla?
I cannot. I suck at drawing.
Can you
Can
draw?
you draw Mothra?
So yeah, I wish I could.
Can you draw? Mega Godzilla?
No. Can't.
Can you draw Batra?
Oh yeah, I know that guy.
Can you
I know
draw
Mothra.